soil. So now we think the soil is crappy. So you've got to now enrich the soil. Okay, invest in your own soil over time. You leave the leaves, you bring in some compost. I don't know what's here, probably nothing good.
Nothing.
So and you can start to see the bare earth over there, the light brown.
Mm-hmm.
So whatever is exposed like that, weeds are going to just spread like crazy.
Okay.
So you want to have that all be covered. It's like you planted a bunch of stuff. You want the soil to be good. I would run around and put compost around all those thick
Okay.
and all of your shrubs that you planted because you invested probably hundreds, if not $1,000, right, in plants. So now it's compost everywhere
Okay.
because I think the soil is probably bad. Now all the money goes down the toilet if you don't protect your plants with the good soil. It's from a garden center. You can have delivery. Usually it's a minimum of like 3 yards. Each yard is about 25 bags. That's a lot of compost. It's not that you couldn't use all that here. It's just a lot of work to spread all of that. So I would get bags. I would just, every time you're at a garden center, just pick up 10 bags or something, spread them around. The only thing about that though is you put the compost down, you need to cover it with mulch because otherwise the weeds will come like crazy, okay?